Hi everybody, this is a quick video on how to insert a running head, insert page numbers, and insert a page break. So I want you to follow the template for any scholarly paper in your APA manual, the 6th edition. I know that we have a new one coming out, and it's on page 41. So set up your title page appropriately. The focus isn't on that right now. Okay, so how we do this is you may have your toolbar here set up differently. Oh, look, here's Grammarly. But what you do is you click on the top portion of the paper and you can go to Insert and Page Number and top of page and hit it so it comes off to the right side. And then Running Head. And just write title, oops, that's supposed to be all caps, title of paper. You need to keep this really short. If your title is long, you've got to shorten that for the running head. You don't have to shorten your title for the paper though. Okay, so then we tab over. If this does not come up in Times Roman font and it comes up in Calibri, which seems to be the default for Word, go ahead, highlight it. I have to go home. And I just have to make sure it's Times New Roman and that the font is 12. Or you can do 11 for all I care. Okay, so then now what happens is I'm going to close out of that. I'll go to my header footer tools and I'll just put close header or footer. So now I have that and I have my numbers and it'll just keep coming all the way through. Okay, so we'll go over the intricacies of the title page in a different video. Something that's really nice is to insert a page break, because sometimes, you know, our content, when we're messing around with content or deleting things, it all of a sudden shows up on the page you don't want it to show up on. So how we rectify that problem is by, first of all, go here. See this? This is wonderful. It shows the paragraph marks. And click here, or somewhere on this first page, go to Insert, and you want to insert a page break. So right here, page break, or I also have it up here as well. So I insert a page break. This is what the page break looks like. If you might want to put it a little lower on your page so you can add some more information, blah, blah, blah. And then what happens is you will have to go back and fix this so it aligns with the page. But from here on out, now you won't, this content right here will not scoot up to there, to this page. It's done. So it's a very handy thing, our page breaks. Okay, so when you want to get out of this, I use this paragraph marker all the time to tell me what I'm doing if I haven't double spaced right or what's going on. But now you can just shut that down and you have your page break in there. Okay, that's it for the header and inserting the page break and inserting the numbers.